How to bridge Fantom token from Polygon network to the Multivac network. In this example, we will show you how to send Fantom token from the Polygon network to the Multivac network with a Relaychain bridge. If you don't already have Fantom token on the Polygon network, you can get some on one of our DEX partners listed in the description below the video. On the Relaychain app, select the destination chain where you want to send your funds. In this case, Multivac network. Once destination chain is selected, you'll be able to see the bridging fees, so make sure you have enough to pay for bridge, and make sure to have a little more for the gas fee also. Now that balance is verified, select the token you want to transfer, and input the amount you want to bridge beside the token name. This will be a two-step process. First, you will need to approve the transaction, and then start the actual transfer. Voila! Your transaction is completed. Now, to verify that your funds are arrived on Multivac network, you might need to add Multivac RPC to your MetaMask wallet, and import the Fantom Multivac version into your wallet. Here's how to do so. Select the Multivac network in the top drop-down menu on the Relaychain app. MetaMask will ask you to approve the new network. Once added, switch network, and got to the Asset tab, and click Import Token. Copy the Fantom Multivac address from the Relaychain app in the description below the video, and paste in the Custom tab, and import the token to see your balance. Simple, fast, and secure. Relay.